Buddhism. I'm not talking about religion. It's nothing to do with religion. Whether you are Buddhist or Christian or Hinduist or any other religions, the religion is just a path. It's a something method. It's not real spiritual practice. I always say, religion is not important. What is important? Wisdom. Wisdom is the most important. If you have a good or enough or powerful wisdom, then you will make religion a better method to boost, to develop your spiritual practice. If you are lacking the wisdom or compassion, then no matter how much put your effort into the practice, the development is not there. This we must know and must keep in mind. Okay? So therefore religion is not important. Must not say, I am Buddhist, I'm a follower of a Buddha. But you did nothing, right? You did nothing. You just put the image of a Buddha at your altar, right? So that this is a Buddha. I mean, he's a follower. But what did you do? Did you listen his talk? Did you listen his teaching? No, I didn't, right? So religion is nothing. Religion is just something that you put, like images of the, Buddhas or whatever you put there, and then say prayer. So that's it. But for me, spiritual practice is far beyond the religion. Far beyond in the sense that with the wisdom, and you can bring our religion into the practice. So the religion helps you to develop your, enlightened mind. Okay, so we meditate, and when thoughts arise, please let arise it. Don't stop it. But at the same time, catch the essence of the thought, essence of the mind. When you discover the essence of the thought, this is the reality of your mind, ultimate of your mind. All the power of a spiritual realization arises from that characteristic of the mind, okay? So nothing else. Never think of a Buddha or something that will give us a blessing or power. They cannot guarantee. Buddha himself says that I cannot help you, but my teaching is going to help you. Even I stay with you day and night, I can't help you. If you listen my speech, my doctrine, that's the only way can benefit yourself and others. So we meditate.